This is a bit extreme. And which brings me to the other one. This one really took me out.
What do you mean don't touch it?
So receipt.
Wait, this one took me out. This one was the one.
A receipt?
Yeah, don't touch it.
What do you mean don't touch it?
So receipts are
Why are you touching it like that?
covered with BPA. I mean, literally just covered. That's how it prints it.
Okay, BPA, like the plastics, like BPA for plastics, right? This is a Dr. Rhonda Patrick. Good person. Like I think she's great, but
Right?
okay,
This isn't
let's
like a
hear what she's
printer. This
saying.
is printed. It's a thermal paper, and the BPA is allowing the printing to happen, and so they're covered with bisphenol A. People that are handling
Okay.
receipts, like cashiers that are handling receipts, have really high levels of BPA, particularly if they use like hand sanitizing lotion or any lotion, any sort of cream.
Okay, so BPA, they're handling receipts. Okay. And they use sanitizer. Okay, I guess. Okay, what is the point? But let's hear what she's saying.
Makes the BPA, again, BPA is fat soluble. These creams, the hand sanitizers are carrying it inside your bloodstream about 100-fold higher than.
Okay, then what happens inside your bloodstream? But what happens? How is it bad for you? What's the effect?
Not having that. So first of all, you can opt to have a receipt emailed to you. If you need the receipt, I would do that.
Nah, this is going cashless. These companies spend so much money on printing ink. They spend so much money. They want to avoid spending that much money. So they're getting these health experts into telling you not to get receipts, because for decades, everywhere, people get receipts all the time. And yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Or, don't touch it. But also, if you work if you're a cashier and you work in this industry, really, really please wear nitrile gloves. I mean, this is like your BPA levels. If you were to go get them measured, which you can, there are companies out there now that do measure BPA levels in urine, you will see that they are extremely, extremely high. So nitrile gloves will protect you from the BPA.
I mean, like these days, like nothing is safe. Plastics everywhere. Like I shouldn't be talking to this mic. This cable is made of plastic. My phone charger is made of plastic. My keyboard is made of plastic. Like, come on, guys. Like, what are we doing here? We can't even breathe because I'm sure, like in the air, there's something that's wrong with the air. I'm sure. So we're just gonna die because this is the part. Like, yeah, sure. Like, I get what you're saying. I get the point that some of these things are not healthy, but at what point does this all stop? Because stressing over all of these things till the end, like, okay, this thing is bad for you. This thing is bad for you. This thing is bad for you. When does it stop? Because we're going to stop living. We have to be practical. Because by me focusing and concentrating on that stuff, it sort of like puts stress on you. How bad is stress? Because now I can't do this, I can't do that. Nothing is safe. Now your stress levels go up. So what's healthier? What health are we talking about here? Like make it make sense, because some of this stuff is just being blown out of proportion. Because if everything is bad for you, like, oh, this, like, you can't even breathe, just hold your breath, don't breathe, don't touch anything. This, you're stuck. Like, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. This is crazy.
Getting across your dermal barrier and getting to your bloodstream. Latex gloves do not. So make sure they're nitrile gloves. And then for people that are not in the industry, try to avoid the receipts. I mean, it's a really big exposure to BPA that people aren't even realizing. So really, really, really important to remember receipts are a very big source of BPA that people are not thinking about, particularly people that are routinely handling these receipts.
Interesting.